Hi guys, so I think this is my first vlog for this week. I've been very busy doing uni stuff, my essay assignments, deadlines. So it's today at 9 a.m. Pero I finished it yesterday, pero sobrang knockout talaga. I haven't done any houseworks. It's 5:30 in the afternoon, Wednesday. I finished my class today at around 12. No, 1 o'clock. No, yeah, around 1 o'clock. But then I have to wait until around 3 para sa flu vaccine. So when I got home, I was really knocked out, and my arms up until now it's a bit hurting, which is so right now what I'm gonna do is open this box of HelloFresh. This was given to me by my friend, so 1 week only, free.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long, try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no, losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna.
What are you doing? You're stuck.
I get it.
You're a stalker.
Why?
You're stalking me.
Why?
Stalking, stalker. Wee. Take it.
Fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you read my mind, call me all night long, try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no, losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie, I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight, I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, yeah, I don't wanna fight with you, seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try.
That's all for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. So see you guys on the next vlog. Thank you!